delivering good news to Amazon sellers. So today what I'm going to talk to you about, that we are seeing a significant decrease in the number of sellers just like you who are calling us that they have been ripped off by people and companies who claim that they can make you a boatload of money, a passive income, by selling on Amazon. So what does that mean to me? Well, it indicates to me a couple of things. Number one, there are a lot fewer of you who are being taken advantage by snake oil salesmen because you're not calling me. Also, it indicates, number two, that Amazon's focus on drop shipping might be decreasing a little bit because we're getting fewer calls from both drop shippers, and most of these passive income scams have to do with drop shipping. So maybe Amazon is taking its foot off the gas a little bit when it comes to knocking out drop shippers, and that's a really good sign. But I still would not invest too much money in drop shipping because it's a very risky business, even though thousands or tens of thousands of people do make a lot of money on drop shipping. Also, I want to let you know a third piece of good news. When I see a drop in the number of people getting ripped off, when I see a drop in the number of drop shippers who are calling me about suspensions, it also indicates to me that people are being more successful. So on all points today, it is really great news for Amazon sellers. I love when a type of suspension goes down so I can report it to you, but I still wouldn't jump in with both feet. Always be leery of anybody who promises you a lot of money with passive income. And if you want to learn more, contact me in any one of these 4 ways.